In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Lucidchart as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Lucidchart diagram into a clean, shareable PDF without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and heading to lucidchart.com. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so you can access your files. On the dashboard, look for the Recent Documents section and click the diagram you want to export. If it doesn't appear right away, use the search bar or browse your folders until you find it. The key is to open the exact document you want to save as a PDF. With your document open in the editor, move to the top left corner of the screen and click the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu for the editor. It reveals options related to your file and export tools. From here, click Export. This takes you to the place where you choose the format and fine-tune how your diagram will look when saved. Next, select PDF as your export format. You'll typically see a few options to customize the output, such as choosing the current page or all pages, setting the paper size and orientation, and adjusting the scale. You might also see toggles for backgrounds, comments, or grid lines. For most situations, the default settings work well, but it's worth considering orientation and scale if your diagram is large or very detailed. If your diagram spans several pages, choose all pages so everything is included, and keep an eye on page breaks in the editor to avoid awkward splits. When your settings look good, click Download. Lucidchart will generate the PDF, which can take a moment for bigger diagrams. Your browser will either automatically save the file to your Downloads folder or ask you where to put it. Occasionally, a preview tab may open. If that happens, use your browser's Download button to save the file locally. Open the downloaded PDF to confirm everything exported correctly. If text looks too small or elements are clipped, go back to export and adjust the scale, orientation, or page range, then download again. Small tweaks usually make a big difference. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Rename your Lucidchart document before exporting so the PDF file name is clear. If you need a smaller file for sharing, lower the image resolution in export options. And remember, a PDF is a snapshot for viewing or printing, so keep your Lucidchart file updated for future edits. That's all there is to it. Open your recent document, use the menu to export, choose PDF, and download your file.